Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a timetable chart. First, gather all your commitments and responsibilities. Write down every task, from daily routines to specific projects, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Next, estimate the time each activity will realistically take. Be honest with yourself. Overestimating is better than underestimating. Finally, prioritize your tasks, identifying what absolutely must be done versus what can be shifted. This foundational step is crucial for an effective schedule. Now, let's structure your day. Begin by dividing your waking hours into manageable blocks, perhaps in 30-minute or 1-hour increments. This visual segmentation helps you see your day clearly. Then, assign your prioritized tasks to these specific time slots. Try to group similar activities together to maintain focus. Remember to intentionally schedule short breaks, maybe 5 to 10 minutes every hour or two, to prevent burnout and maintain energy levels throughout your day. With your timetable created, the next step is consistent implementation. Start using it daily, treating your scheduled blocks as firm appointments. After a week or two, take time to review how well it's working. Are you completing tasks? Are your estimates accurate? Don't be afraid to make adjustments. A timetable is a living document. Flexibility is key. Life happens. So adapt your schedule rather than abandoning it entirely when unforeseen circumstances arise. Adopting a timetable offers significant benefits. Studies show that effective time management can boost your productivity by as much as 20%, allowing you to achieve more with less effort. It also dramatically reduces stress, giving you a clear roadmap for your day. To maintain its effectiveness, make continuous improvement a habit. Regularly update your timetable to incorporate new goals, projects, or changes in your routine, ensuring it always serves your current needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.